Have you been diagnosed with stage 3 kidney disease, and are you concerned that that means you will need dialysis? Well, stay tuned. Let's talk about it. Thanks so much for watching today. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, click that like button, hit that bell. Make sure you never miss a new recipe or a new health tip. My name is Dr. Blake Schusterman. I'm a board-certified kidney doctor, nephrologist, and I'm also the cooking doc. And everything we talk about here today is for informational purposes only. This is not medical advice. So today we're going to talk about something a little more serious than what I normally talk about. And it's really not related to food at all. This is just kidney disease focused. If you have kidney disease and have been referred to a kidney doctor, your first experience is probably very similar to the woman who I saw this week. She was 65. She's been recently told she has stage 3 kidney disease. And she was sent to see me in the office because her primary care doctor told her that he was going to send her to a kidney doctor. But he didn't tell her anything else, so she was clueless. So here she is. She shows up to see me in this brand new office, a brand new doctor. She comes in, there's brochures in the waiting room about dialysis. There's posters on the wall about kidney transplant, and she was scared. And you probably were too when you first saw a kidney doctor, or if you have been told you have chronic kidney disease, because everybody's fear is that they will end up needing dialysis, and that having kidney disease in general means at some point in the future you will need dialysis. So the answer to somebody with stage 3 chronic kidney disease wondering if they will end up needing dialysis is, of course, it depends. First, there is actually some really good news for you. People with stage 3 kidney disease do not need dialysis. So if you have stage 3 kidney disease, that absolutely means that you do not need dialysis right now. The other thing is that most people with stage 3 kidney disease do not go on to need dialysis. Now, of course, that does not apply to everybody, but the majority of people don't progress in a steady fashion from stage 3 to stage 4 to stage 5 kidney disease to needing dialysis. And lastly, there are lots of things that you can do if you've been diagnosed with stage 3 kidney disease to prevent those kidneys from getting worse. From changing your diet, to taking your medicines, to exercise, to just being aware of your health problems. So it is actually a good thing that you know that. Now is your chance to do the things to keep your kidneys from getting worse. Now, of course, that doesn't apply to everybody. There are some people with stage 3 kidney disease who do end up progressing through and needing dialysis or kidney transplant. That's where your kidney doctor or nurse practitioner or PA comes in, because they can help determine whether or not you're at risk for those kidneys getting worse. Here are some things that your doctor will look into to determine whether or not your kidneys are going to get worse. First is the cause of kidney disease. Certain types of kidney disease are more likely to get worse over time and require you to need dialysis. Next, your family history. If you have a mother or a father, a grandfather, an aunt or an uncle or a brother or a sister who's on dialysis, that may mean that you have a genetic predisposition to requiring dialysis or having kidney failure in the future. Now, it doesn't necessarily mean that, and it doesn't mean that just because your brother had stage 3 kidney disease and then needed dialysis that you will follow the same path, but it's something for your doctor to keep in mind and to be aware of to help guide you through your kidney disease journey. Your doctor will also want to know the level of protein in your urine. The higher the level of protein in the urine, the more risk you have for those kidneys getting worse. So they may put you on medicine to help keep that protein level down and help protect your kidneys so they don't go to stage 4 and 5 kidney disease. Next, it's important for your doctor to know the rate of change of your kidney disease. So when we look at how well the kidneys are working, we often look at something called the GFR, or the glomerular filtration rate. And the lower your GFR, the worse your kidneys are filtering. So if you have kidney disease and your GFR has gone from 40 to 38 over the course of 10 years, you may not have so much risk of those kidneys getting worse in the future because those kidneys have stayed relatively stable over the course of 10 years. On the other hand, if your kidney disease has gone from a GFR of 40 to 30 to 20 over the course of 2 years, that increased rate of decline may mean that you have higher risk of those kidneys getting worse. But again, your doctor will be able to interpret those numbers and give you a clear idea of what the future holds for you and your kidneys. The most important thing to take away here is that stage 3 kidney disease does not mean dialysis. And if you have stage 3 kidney disease, there are things that you can do to help protect your kidneys so you do everything possible not to end up on dialysis. And for those of you who have kidney disease that just keeps getting worse despite you doing everything possible, know that there are options for you if you develop kidney failure, such as a kidney transplant and dialysis, which can allow you to live a quality of life even if your kidneys have failed. Thanks so much for watching today. I'm Dr. Blake Schusterman. I'm a board-certified kidney doctor. Please discuss all these things I talked about today with your doctor. Maybe give you a little bit of things you can talk to her or him next time you see them. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it. Check out my website, thecookingdoc.co. Check out my book, The Cooking Doc's Kidney Healthy Cooking, a modern 10-step guide to preventing and managing kidney disease, and I will see you next time.